Good afternoon, morning, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is June the 19th, 2024. What we're looking at here are the remnants, what's left over of our pomegranates. Now, the flesh inside of the fruit that these produce is mostly white and a little bit of pink, so not very sweet. This cultivar, that's just how it ended up being. I got the seed stock from a neighbor who really didn't understand what he had. But going forward, I have some seed stock, some little babies that are growing from the wonderful variety. It is, to my understanding, that these guys need a lower humidity environment than what Florida has to offer. So as it sits, they haven't done very well, but going into the summer, as the rains have arrived, they seem to be doing okay. The beds that I have them sitting in are leaves and detritus inoculated with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi, so that may be helping them, as this is the second year they are now sitting in this material. You can see there's a few of them have died off because there are huge vacant spots all throughout this location, but you see all the new growth. These guys seem to do well when they get natural rainwater, and I've watered them during the dry time with the hose, and that really doesn't do much for them. They don't perk up or anything, but this natural rainwater, they seem to do really well. I don't see any flowers. I've got reports from neighbors where they have lots of flowers. So going forward, I'm not even sure if I'm going to continue growing these pomegranates. Hopefully they produce something amazing this year. We'll see. I'm going to continue to try with the wonderful variety, but as it stands, it's not looking good for the pomegranate here in Florida. So if you're interested in getting the Your World Explorer brand image printed on a canvas, on a t-shirt, on a cup, a keychain, you name it, just go to zazzle.com/Your World Explorer and you can get all of that right there. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as it helps the channel grow. And stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our pomegranates. Have a great day.